If you're an Etsy seller and feel like creating your design assets just takes way too long, guys, check out this new Kittl feature. It is absolutely phenomenal, right? And it's gonna literally cut the time you do things in half. In fact, it will be quicker than that. I'm talking about a feature called Agentic AI. It is literally brand new at the time of doing this video, and it can literally read your mind in only a few words. It can create your assets really quickly. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. So check out this video. So as usual, guys, I'm on Etsy. Now I'm going to just explain how this works. And in fact, I'm going to show you two use case scenarios that you can do. Now remember, this can be used for any Etsy niche. I'm just going to do a demonstration using a niche called clip arts, digital designs, and show you how you can actually use it for your own use case. So as you can see, I've just typed in clip art bears, right? Images, bundle of images of these really cool clip arts, right? Now, okay, so I'm on a typical listing of a bestseller, right? And typically these designs, it's very important that you create multiple images. And if you're selling clip arts, you want to create these designs really quickly. Okay, it's really important to create a lot of designs really quickly. And the other thing that really helps sell listings like these bear clip arts that you can see is that you also need to create mockups. So, how the image would look on, say, a mug or on a t shirt or on the wall. That way, you can sell your product easier. So, I'm going to show you these two use cases where you can actually, using Agentic AI, create images quicker and also create the mock-up assets quicker, right? Literally, in just a few words, it speeds up the whole process. So check this out. And remember, you can try Agentic AI for free. The link is below. And for a limited time, if you use the code Agentic, you also get 50% off the annual plans. So check the link in my description if you want to upgrade. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm on Kittl, guys, as you can see on my screen. And, I've created this really beautiful bear image. I mean, this would probably typically be ready for, a Valentine's Day, for example. Again, this was obviously created in Kittl anyway, really nice watercolor style bear, right? Again, you can see the power of Kittl, how professional designs look. Now, this is where it gets interesting, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image. Okay, so if we come into the box here, you'll see that there are a few tabs at the top. And if you look at, there's one called Agentic AI. Now, if I click on the image, you can see the image appears and then you can write just a few words, literally. I mean, you don't need to go into lots of detail. I mean, let's say I want to start creating some batches of images, right? Especially for clip arts, that's what you need to do. Now, usually I'll take a lot of time doing different prompts, choosing what a design model to use, and it can get a little bit long. However, with Agentic AI, it's like just saying a few words and it just produces images for you. It's crazy. But look at this. Okay, so what I just typed in is I said create 4 more different images of the bear in the same style and size. So I'm getting 4 extra designs. I'm not describing each one, how I want the images to be, writing full prompts for each one and waiting for each one to happen. This is literally going to produce just a batch of 4 straight away, right? So check this out. Okay, so I clicked generate and now it's going to start working on the designs. It's literally like having your own creative director. You don't really need to write much as well. What's amazing as well, it keeps your design consistent. So when it produces these designs, they're going to be absolutely consistent with the first style. And to be honest with you, it also saves you tokens and it stops you from spending like on ChatGPT or Claude tokens as well. So really, no more burning your AI Kittl tokens. Now look at this, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal. Like, it literally has created in the consistent style 4 more designs, right? Obviously, for each one, I can just remove the background quite easily, as I have for this one. With the tab here, you got remove background. But the images are different, exactly what I wanted, because that's what you need for clip art bundles, and they're consistent, same style. So, producing images is so much quicker. And remember what I said, this is not just about clip arts, this is about any niche where you need to speed things up. Agentic AI with a few words can do this. Now, I'm going to show you another case scenario. If you remember, I showed you with that bestseller listing to create mockups, and creating mocks are super important, where you've got the image of the, say, the teddy in this case, on different items, like, wall art, showcasing it on a mug, or other items, where it can help show the customer how they can use these images. So let me do this also for you really quickly. So obviously, if you want to use these, you just download them really quickly. But for this, I'm just going to remove the images, go back to my original, go back to the box. Now, let's say I need to create some mockups, right? So I'm just going to say create 4 different mockups to use for my Etsy listing. I might just say keep the size the same, right? Done, right? I don't need to go and do separate mockups, start looking at and typing in what kind of mockup I want, how I want it to look, what angle. I don't need to do any. Literally, there's a few words there. It's going to do 4 straight away. Now click generate. Check this out. It's crazy. And guys, as I said, go try it out for free. Links in my description. And if you want to upgrade, code Agentic gets you 50% off annual plans for a limited time only. Okay, guys, and here we are. We've created the mockups, which look absolutely phenomenal, guys. Literally, look at this. Look how amazing these look, guys. I mean, even the creation with that beautiful sort of beige tones, minimalist tones, and the realism on the mockups are absolutely fantastic. And this really is the kind of thing that would help showcase and sell the design. I mean, look, they've even got the right kind of mock-ups. You got the tote bag, you got a t-shirt, you got a wall art version, and you have a mug version, right? So the quality is phenomenal, the speed is amazing, and like I said, you literally just say a few words and Agentic AI will understand what you're talking about and will create it for you. So, as I've said before, go try it out. The link is below. Try out for free. And for a limited time, with the code Agentic, when you use that in the checkout, it gets you 50% off annual plans if you want an upgrade. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.